Welcome back. Now let's move to the add journal activity, initialize the widgets, and connect to Firebase Firestore and Firebase Storage. I'll initialize the widgets. Now let's move to the Firebase here and start connecting this application, this activity with Firebase Firestore and Firebase Storage. So for that, I'll use a Firebase Firestore DB equals to Firebase Firestore dot get instance, and we need to create a storage reference. I want from you to focus with me because this is a new topic, the storage in Firebase. Collection reference equals to db.collection. And here I'll specify the journal and make sure that it is capital letter and it's case sensitive. So here, the Firebase, this is the Firestore, and this is the storage. I need to get the current user who is logged in. We need to upload the post in general. So we need to get the user ID, the username, and authenticate it and upload it to the Firebase Fire Storage and get a link or a name for this user. So for that, I need to make Firebase Authentication. One for getting the current user ID. The second is current user name, and we need to initialize Firebase Authentication as we done before. I'll use Firebase Auth. We need a listener, auth state listener, and we need a Firebase user. So these variables will help us to get the user ID and username and link it with the post he uploaded. We need to initialize these references. So here in the onCreate, I'll start with the storage reference equals to Firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference. Firebase storage dot get instance. This is a method used to get an instance of Firebase storage service. It's used to access Firebase storage features. Get reference. This method is called on the Firebase storage instance to get a reference to the root location in the Firebase storage. This reference can be used as a starting point for uploading, downloading, managing files and folders within Firebase storage. Then we need to get the Firebase authentication. We need to display the progress bar. So here progress bar dot set visibility to view dot invisible at first, and when the user upload a new post, we need to display this post progress bar. So I'll move it up to here, and now we need to get the current user. If journal user or journal user dot get instance or the user doesn't equal to null, then what we need to make, we need to get the current user ID by calling user.getInstance or get user UID. And the current username, which is a string, user.getUsername. And here I need to use save button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, and I need to call the save journal method that we need to create in the next videos. And add photo button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener,